Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our Tribe Beauty box, and this is the January-February box. Or it could be the February-March box. But nonetheless, this is our Tribe Beauty box for this year. This is the first one this year. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the information down below. If you'd like to try it out for yourself, there is a code there so that you can get some money off on your first delivery. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what's inside. Okay, so all right, here we go. The first item that I have is by MUDMASKY. Okay, and this is the Melting Mud Cleansing Mask. And this is the 3-in-1 formula. And it says this non-irritating, fragrance-free morning cleanser is specially formulated to cleanse your skin without stripping its natural protective layer. With a blend of Moroccan lava clay, natural fruit extracts, and non-irritating botanicals, it helps to maintain and replenish the skin's natural moisture balance. Okay, now it says it's mild cleansing, pore cleansing, rebalancing, energizing, and rehydrating. And this is a 2.5 fluid ounce size. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $49. Okay, and let's see if we have any expiration information. According to this, it has a 6-month shelf life from the time you open the package. Okay, now I have heard quite a bit of actually very nice things about it. Okay, so we will be trying this out soon. All right, and when I do, I will let you know. So this is item number 1. Then item number 2 is by The Balm. Okay, and this is the Swing liquid eyeliner, and this is what the outside packaging looks like. Okay, now let's see what it has to say. All right, it has a thin tapered felt tip applicator. It's non-flaking or smudging, and it's quick drying. The size that we have is a 0.0 fluid ounce size, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, now it also says that this has, it looks like it says a 6-month shelf life. 6-month shelf life. Now let me tell you something. I'm excited right now because it's been a very long time since we've gotten something other than a black liner. And this one happens to be in the shade purple. How about that? Okay. So let's, I'm going to open it because being that it's a color other than black, we can actually use it. Oh my Lord, this is beautiful. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at you see that tip? Okay, and this is what that liner shade looks like. Now, Did I tell you that the manufacturer suggested retail price for that one is $17? Okay. Now we're going to keep moving. The next item that we have is by BH Cosmetics. Alrighty then. Okay, this is quite interesting packaging. Okay. This is what the packaging actually looks like. It kind of looks like a keychain. Actually, it is. One side has a butterfly, and the other side is the pom-pom. And it says that this one is a 0.12 ounce size. And this one is actually called Oral Fixation. And the shade, wow, this is a very interesting shade name. It's called, is it 2004 yet? Alrighty then. How about that? Okay, so let's just open the packaging. All right, and get some more information. Oh, this is really interesting. All right, so this is what the inside packaging actually looks like. And it says, more juicy than your tracksuit. This is a high shine lip gloss. It's smooth, moisturizing gloss with reflective mirror-like shimmer and iridescent flex with serious shine. Okay, it has a doe foot applicator and it gives you that one swipe, as they say, perfection. And it's comfortable, color saturated wear that makes it all about your pout. Okay. Now, let's see. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $17 as well. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $14. Okay, and it has a 12-month shelf life. I think I'm going to swatch it right now. I have a matte lip, so let's just put a little on and see how it looks. Oh, wow. That's really a half a swipe. I didn't even go over the top lip. What'd you think? Not bad, right? And it's very comfortable. It's not sticky. And it doesn't really even have a smell to it. But nonetheless, I do like this. I like it very much. Okay, moving right along. The next item that we have, it's in this package right here. I was trying to preserve your hearing, you know, but okay. Oh, this is cute. All right, so this is our cosmetics bag. Okay, our makeup bag. It's iridescent. It's cute. It's very, very cute. Okay, when we open it up, this is what it looks like. Has Try Beauty across the front. It has a wristlet. Okay, and a full zipper. It does fold. Well, actually, of course, it folds shut like that, but we can open it and we can open it and sit it flat. Okay, very, very cute. Very cute. Now, I can't give you a a price on it because what I did forget to tell you is when I took what used to be a description card, maybe this month alone, they just didn't have it. Okay, it's just an information card. There is nothing on here about the items that are in this month's bag. Nothing. I don't know what's going on this month because our other boxes didn't have it either. Okay, so but nonetheless, so this is the next item, and there is one more. The last item, it's a palette, and it's by SUVA Beauty. Now this, I actually saw they posted this on Instagram, so let me just show you what it looks like, all right? And it's the Magic and Ecstasy palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay. Quite interesting, to say the least. Quite interesting. All right. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this is a 12-pan palette. And, oh, it does have a mirror, so let's cover that. And I'll let you see what the shades look like, and then we'll talk further. Oh my God, this is absolutely fascinating. So here is what the inside looks like. Is that gorgeous or what? Okay, this is the 12-pan pressed pigment rich multi-reflective pressed glitters. And these are the soft matte shades. Look at that black, okay? This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very excited for our Wear the Box and try this on. But what I will do is I will, instead of me swatching them, I'm going to post the swatches for all of them here so that you can see them all with and without the glitters. Okay, so what do you think? Is that like gorgeous or what? All right, now let me just tell you that this has a 12-month shelf life. Of course, it is a cruelty-free product. And it says each of the pans are 1 gram size. Okay, what do you think? Now I did receive 4 items. I'm gathering that's what it was supposed to be. We usually get at least 5, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. All right, now what I've done, just so you can see it, I've placed the items that came in this month's box into the pouch so you can actually see the size. Now the only thing that doesn't fit is the palette because the palette is rather large. So everything else is inside, still with plenty of room. Still with plenty of room, okay? But just so that you can kind of get a better feel for it, okay? What are your thoughts? Okay, now this one was very, very makeup heavy. There was only one skincare product this month. Well, actually, because this is an every other month box, there was only one skincare product enclosed, and that's the MUDMASKY, which I am very excited to try. I have received their products before. However, the ones that I've received have been for the hair. But nonetheless, now I do have this as well. So, what are your thoughts? This is completely dried down, by the way. Okay? It's not transferring at all, and it's still beautiful. All right, so what do you think? For those of you who've never tried the Try Beauty Box, what do you think? Well, let me just say that I want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our first Try Beauty Box of 2023, okay? Now, These are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to share it with someone, by all means, please do. Show them what this SUVA palette looks like, okay? As well as the swatches, all right? Well, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.